Late summer is traditionally flash flood season, but 2022's events are increasingly record setters.
Climate change is making it easier for the heaviest rains to become even heavier. And this summer is a good example of that trend, which has been playing out over decades.
More rain in a shorter time. Parts of Denver got more than 2 inches Sunday, much of it coming in just an hour. Swamping streets, firefighters rescuing 29 people from their vehicles, including these children. This is what happens when the hottest place on Earth suddenly becomes one of the wettest. Death Valley National Park still cleaning up after Friday's devastating flood. Nearly 1.5 inches of rain fell in the California desert, the most ever in a single August day. The park is closed.
Feet of mud and rocks in many areas across park roads. Other areas have stretches of the road that are completely gone and will need to be rebuilt.
In South Dakota, Sioux Falls recorded its wettest day ever, getting more than 5 inches on Sunday. The warmer the air, the more moisture it can hold. 90% of 150 locations surveyed by Climate Central now get more average rainfall an hour compared to 1970. Rainfall intensity increasing 13%. The storm's wreaking havoc with an already stressed airline system. Today, cancellations more than 600, delays over 4,000.
They just kept saying weather, 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 weather.
As America copes with a summer of uncertain skies. Ann Thompson, NBC News.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.